Hello there! I went from barista to iOS developer, and I think you can too. So, I thought it would be kind of fun. I have an app idea, and I thought it'd be fun to bring you along with me so you can see how an app goes from idea to the App Store. So, follow along if you're interested in that kind of thing. If not, then hey, there's a billion other videos on here, so see ya. First of all, the best introduction is the pup. My husband's lightsabers are really organized. Desk setup. Welcome. So, yeah, this is it for now. We're still unpacking. So hopefully I'll have a nice desk setup where I'm sure I'll still push stuff into the closet when I video. But for now, this is the real me. That's the real dog. And this is my real messy desk. So welcome. Okay, first of all, I don't have a phone stand because I wasn't planning on doing YouTube, but I just felt like this was a fun idea. But my arm is getting so tired. I just got the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it is way heavier. It feels way heavier than my, with my case on it. I gotta have a protective case because I'm so clumsy. But I'm getting arm workout holding this. Sheesh. Whew. All right. Anyways, you should probably know the app idea I have before we get going. So, I'm an iOS developer and I do a lot of freelance contract work, and I just want an app that can handle all the things that I do, that I like a time tracker, wow, this phone is heavy, sheesh. But a time tracker, a scheduler. I do really well with accountability. So having a boss that says, hey, get this done by this time and this day. I do well with having some sort of accountability. So I have an idea of some sort of AI boss that would tell me my schedule and, warn me hey, this is late. And I think a task tracker on this. Basically a freelance productivity app, all in one. And yeah, so that's my broad idea, and follow along if you want to see how I break that down, turn it into a product, and get it on the App Store. Also, if you have any ideas for this app, if you're a freelancer, contractor, you do indie development, and you would use an app like this, put your ideas in the comments, and I'd love to see if we can get that incorporated into the app. Okay, so first things first. When I have an app idea, I gotta write it out somewhere, because I just have mumbo jumbo in this head of mine, and I need to write out all my ideas, see what's possible, what would work, get myself a little organized, because as you can see, I'm not very organized. This is where my iPad is so handy, literally handy. I'm holding it in my hand. It is handy. That's my type of joke, so if you don't like that, honestly, there's so many other YouTube videos on here, so go ahead. And yeah, and though I'd love you to stay and just mute my jokes, I'd love you to see the process of the app. Everyone is welcome here. So the first thing I do when I'm building an app is I kind of sketch it out. And I use a program, an app called Mockup, which is awesome. It's one of my favorite apps. Some incredible developers made it, and I use it to sketch out all my apps. This is not even a sponsored post. This is I just genuinely like this app. Today I don't have my Apple Pencil. My husband's using it, so we share it. So I will not be sketching today. So that ruined those plans. But I will be writing out kind of the main gist of what I want this app to do, what I think it could be. I just like to basically dream big on the brainstorming, everything I think the app could do. What are kind of the colors that I like the app would want for branding and that kind of stuff. I gotta get the mumbo jumbo out of here and into an organizational list that I can create a to-do list from and see what's possible. So yeah, welcome to my brain, my life. So yeah, that's the basis of my idea. It's just a productivity app for freelancers. So if you're interested in watching this process go from idea, from my brain, to the App Store, follow along. My next video I'll kind of break down and record my brainstorming process, and hopefully we'll get this app on the App Store within a few months. So follow along if you want. If not, then it's fine. Have a good day.